Hello everyone. In today's video we are talking about a secret. A secret that you will not find in any e-commerce or online shop videos and tutorials, on YouTube or anywhere else. TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, you name it. You will see hundreds, maybe thousands of videos that show you how to sell online, how to make an online e-shop or e-commerce, on famous online platforms like Shopify or Wix. But, more you research, more you will understand that everyone will avoid telling you some secrets. Stay with me to the end of this video, and I promise, I will explain you some things that they don't want you to know. A like to this video, costs you nothing, but, will show appreciation to my work. Okay, so you are on with the trends. Probably you saw a video on TikTok about dropshipping, e-commerce or e-shop. You saw hundreds of people telling you how they make a lot of money from their online sales, hundreds of products, ideas, that they sell, and promise to make you rich as well. And you started to do the research. You discovered that you can make easy an online shop with Shopify or Wix, or any other cheap or free online selling platform. You search now what products to sell, on your new online shop. Let's say you found them. You have an amazing idea. You saw some good products to order from AliExpress, and to add them to your shop. First secret. Have anyone told you about the delays in order from AliExpress? No, they won't. Over 80% of the orders from AliExpress have delay and will affect your business. Let's say, the delays are not such a big problem, but, have anyone told you that between 20 and 40% of what you order from AliExpress will never arrive to your customers? Do a small research on this. Okay, so you will say, I will order from somewhere else. Let's assume now that, you found a good place to order, they won't have delay and they will deliver all your products. You started to sell. Money are coming into your bank account. Now the bank asks you for a proof of income, or they will block your bank account. What do you do now? Have you ever seen someone telling you that? What you will have to do, so the bank won't close your account. 1. Register your company in your country of residence. 2. Open a corporate bank account. 3. Get a tax number and VAT number. Subscribe to my channel for more tips, like my video if you find it useful. Thanks for watching.